Good evening. Starting at midnight, the city says crews will head out sanding the streets, highways, and bike lanes. But once 2 inches of snow falls and hits the ground, that's when the plows will hit the road. It's been a slow roll toward winter, but after 2 years, New York City may finally get its first major storm. And this one is on a collision course with the Tuesday morning commute.
It's going to be low visibility, high wind gusts, ending by early afternoon, as well as up to 2 feet of coastal flooding.
The rain to snow transition expected to hit the city sometime around daybreak, and that's when officials will deploy the full complement of snow fighting equipment across the 5 boroughs. The commissioner gloated, this is the new look sanitation department.
We have the highest uniform headcount of sanitation workers that this department has seen in over 2 decades. We have also made substantial investments in our fleet.
But still not enough muscle against Mother Nature to safely hold traditional school Tuesday.
We're not saying close tomorrow. Schools are shifting to remote learning, and that's an important distinction.
The DOE making the call Monday morning to go remote, to give parents time to figure out the shift in schooling. A controversial call, especially if you ask the students.
We need to minimize how many days our children are just sitting home making snowmen like I did, and they need to catch up.
And for those parents and commuters who rely on mass transit to get to work, the MTA is forecasting a reliable ride.
If you are traveling, MTA will be operating, and we intend to get you where you're headed, not to leave anybody stranded.